This is Ursula. She is raised in a middle-class family. This is Hans. He is raised in a middle-class family.
Ursula and Hans go to a public school. While Ursula is studying hard, Hans enjoys playing soccer in the school team.
Ursula and Hans are 16 now and on their way to become adults. Ursula is struggling to find herself. Meanwhile, Hans focuses on the success of his soccer team. He is one of the top players.
Ursula and Hans graduate from high school. Ursula finishes high school as the best of her class. Hans finishes with average grades.
Ursula and Hans attend university. Ursula studies to become a teacher, while Hans takes part in a business program.
Ursula becomes a teacher at elementary school. Hans gets a well-paid job in a leading company in the car industry. Ursula earns $49,000 a year, whereas Hans earns $89,000 a year.
Ursula and Hans find a partner and marry. Ursula marries an architect and Hans falls in love with his assistant.
Ursula gives birth to 3 kids. Hans and his wife have 2 children.
After parental leave, Ursula decides to go back to her job on a part-time basis. In addition to that, she takes care of the family's needs and manages the household. Her husband continues to work regular hours. While Hans' wife takes care of their children, he continues to work and is promoted to a senior project manager, now earning significantly more.
Due to insurmountable differences, Ursula and her husband get divorced. Hans has to handle a lot of pressure because his job security depends on his performance.
To compensate the income of her ex-husband, Ursula takes on a second job at a grocery store. She now has to handle 2 jobs, the kids and the household. The increasing level of stress affects her mental and physical health.
To improve her state of health, Ursula decides to consult a doctor to receive medical treatment. Hans tries to ignore the indicators of mental illness caused by the workload.
The medical treatment allows Ursula to continue her former lifestyle, but the continuing high level of stress takes a toll on her body. After Hans got fired, he finds himself in a desperate situation from which suicide seems to be his only means of escape.
Several years later, Ursula dies from the consequences of an undiscovered heart attack.